with Sarah, a true lover of maths. Acquiring knowledge is the ultimate aim of education. So read more books and keep observing. Today I am going to explain the concept of sets. What is a set? In everyday life we come across many collections, like collection of bags, collection of books, collection of dresses, collection of pens and so on. I am going to write some collections here. Books or maths book, interesting book. Maths book, interesting books. Second, red pen, attractive pen. Red pen, attractive pens. Okay. Then boys, handsome boys. Animals, animals on earth, animals on earth. Dangerous animals on earth. Animals on earth and dangerous animals on earth. Is there any difference between these two collections? Look at the first collection. Maths book, interesting books. Suppose your teacher asks your class to make a list of books in your library. List of maths book in your library and list of interesting book in your library. Everyone has to make a list. Okay? What happens after the list? List of maths book remains the same, but list of interesting books changes from person to person. The word interesting itself is not clear. It changes from person to person. In first case, we can clearly tell a particular book belongs to this group or not. Mathematically, we can say it like this. A particular book belongs to that group or not. Here, we are unable to tell a particular book belongs to this or not. Poem book may be interesting for someone, novels may be interesting for others. The collection varies from person to person. The idea is not clear. So we cannot tell a particular book belongs to this group or not. Mathematically, this collection 1 is well defined, but this collection is not well defined. Well defined means particular belongs to that group or not. Here we cannot tell. Look at the second collection. Red pens and attractive pens. Red pens, idea is clear. It is well defined. But attractive pens. The color red may be attractive for someone, blue may be attractive for some other one. Here the idea is vague, not clear. We cannot tell a particular pen belongs to this group or not. So mathematically this is well defined, but here it is not well defined. One more, boys and handsome boys. Boys in your class, it is well defined. We can tell a particular boy belongs to this class or not. Handsome boys. The word handsome itself is not clear. It is a vague idea. It differs from person to person. So, this is not well defined. We cannot tell a particular boy belongs to this collection or not. Animals on earth. Dangerous animals on earth. Animals on earth. It is clear. We can tell a particular animal belongs to this or not. But dangerous animals on earth, it is not clear. Tiger may be dangerous for one, cockroach may be dangerous for other. So, if this idea is not clear, so it is not well defined. Means, the collection given in first group is clear or well defined, and second collection is not clear, vague or not well defined. Such collection of objects which are well defined come under the category sets. Or what is a set? Set is a well defined collection of objects. What is a set? A set is a well defined collection of objects. It's a well defined collection of objects. Which type of collection? Well defined collection of objects. I hope it is clear to you. If the idea is clear, or if a particular element belongs to that group or not, it is clear, then we can say it is well defined. Otherwise, it is not well defined. So, a well defined collection of objects forms a set. Some corrections are written here. Look at the question. Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. You know the definition of sets now. What is a set? A set is a well-defined collection of objects. We have to check whether the collection is well-defined or not. Look at the first statement. Collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Collection of 10 most talented writers of India. 10 is okay. Most talented. The word most talented is vague or not well-defined. So, it does not form a set. How to justify your answer? Most talented is not well defined, so it does not form a set. Now, collection of books written by Munshi Premchand. Collection of books written by Munshi Premchand. Is this collection a set? Is it well defined? Yes, this collection is well defined. Suppose the question is like this. Collection of interesting books written by Munshi Premchand or collection of famous books written by Munshi Premchand, then it is not well defined, it does not form a set. Here, collection of books written by Munshi Premchand, it is well defined, so it is a set, or this collection forms a set. Next statement. Collection of all positive even integers. We know that collection, isn't it? 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. We know whether 2 belongs to this collection or not. 5 belongs to this collection or not. It is well defined. So, it forms a set. Next, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Best cricket batsman is not well defined. The idea is not clear. We cannot tell a particular batsman belongs to this or not. So, it is not well defined, so it does not form a set. Next, prime numbers greater than 100. Prime numbers greater than 100. Is it well defined? Yes. So, it forms a set. I hope all of you understand the concept of set. Now, what is a set? Set is a well-defined collection of objects. What are the uses of sets, or why we are learning set? Concept of set serves as a fundamental part of present-day mathematics. It is used to define the concepts of relations and functions, which in turn is the backbone of all technological developments today. It is also used in the study of probability, sequence and series, and so on. Thank you.